chances are rapidly declining due to habitat loss and poaching. Effective shovels to dig up for food such as worms and insects. They can also dig underground because they can live in underground dens as well. Everyone look at his coat. Now his coat is beautiful to camouflage against the beautiful weather in northern Sahara. To Southeast Asia. That's right. Now let's take a look at our volunteers. Hi, sir, ma'am. Are you happy? Okay, keep smiling, but do not squeeze the snake. Just open the palm. Yeah, open your palm. That's right. Because if you squeeze the snake will squeeze you back. All right. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Guillermo.
Guillermo. Where are you from?
Mexico.
Mexico. Everybody from Mexico. Very nice. I love the country. Would you like to free your right hand, sir? Okay, have a feel of the snake like that. Yeah. Is it okay? Good. Okay. Smooth and dry or wet and slimy?
Smooth and dry.
Smooth and dry, just like me. Thank you. You can take the snake back. Alright. Now, many people have the misconception that snakes are wet and slimy. That is not true. That is the natural gloss that they have when light glistens off the skin. But everybody, snakes are smooth and dry, just like most of you. Yeah? How about the lady? Hi, ma'am. What's your name?
Hermione.
Hermione, I love that name. Oh my goodness. Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia, the land of snakes. Everybody, Hermione from Australia. Very nice. Yes, not Hermione Granger, right?
I precede me by several decades.
Oh wow, that's fantastic. I love copyright the name there. Okay, we have a special treat for you, okay? Okay, here you go, Kenzie. Oh wow, she's certainly not afraid. Okay, you can bring her. We haven't feed her yet. Beautiful. You love snakes. Okay, that's fantastic. Now take a look at Maggie's head. Comparing to the size of that head, how many times can she open her mouth to? A number from 1 to 10. 10. 10. Hermione, this is a snake, dear, not a dinosaur.
Oh.
How about 1, 3, or 5?
Oh, what?
1, 3, or 5? Any number? 5. Perfect answer. Good job. Now, snakes are able to dislocate the lower jaw 5 times the size of the head to swallow the entire prey whole. Yes, and tonight we're going to do that on Hermione. No, I was just kidding, okay? Everybody, cameras up, flashes off, take as many photos as you want right now, okay? Hashtag Night Safari Singapore, okay?